Hey, let me show you how you can change order of your settings on the Samsung A36 5G. So for example, you can put notifications at the top. So you have to start by opening a Galaxy Store. And right now you will have to click on the right upper corner and you have to search for Good Lock application. There we go. You will have to just get it straight on your phone, click open. Now just wait for a few moments until it will be opened, and now go to the plugins and you have to go for Registar. Open it. Then we will have to go for customize your settings home, and here select many order and group settings. So right now you can simply click and hold any of the option and drag it wherever you want. Then you can click save and take a look. Now as you can see, the battery appears at the top. Thanks for watching.